Smart window camera ad instruction. Equipment preparation. Power on the camera.
Devices waiting to connect.
How to view by app. Firstly, scan code to download C's app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add the device by app. Smart connection. Open the C's app. It will pop up the device model IPC680 and click Add to. Select the Wi-Fi you need to connect to, and input the Wi-Fi password. Set a name for the device, click Confirm. AP Hotspot Edition. First, click plus to scan the QR code on the body. Click the top right icon to switch to another way to add. Choose AP Hotspot Edition. Check Connected and tap Next. Connect to your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Confirm it. Join the Wi-Fi. Set a name for the device, click Confirm. Install the camera. Before installation, ensure the camera has been successfully added to the app. Clean the glass surface where the camera will be installed. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive sticker and apply it to the desired location. Attach the front of the camera to the sticker, making sure the power port is facing downward. Stick the cable clip in a suitable spot to hold the charging cable in place.